Where is my banana charger? So how am I gonna charge my stuff now? Dramatic. If one more person says, "Ooh, look, a monkey," I'm throwing something. There they are, y'all. Get yourself together. Hey, you. Yeah, you with the drone. Welcome to Monkey Island. Land of legends, bananas, and absolutely zero supervision. Allow us to introduce ourselves. We're the residents, the rulers, and the reason you slowed your boat down. We didn't choose island life. Island life was thrust upon us after we escaped too many times. Wait, where are you going? Listen, we weren't misbehaving. The fences were just weak. I'm serious, y'all. First things first. Yes, we're rhesus macaques. Yes, we are majestic. And yes, we absolutely know you're filming us. Please tag us at Real Homosassa Monkeys. Just kidding. We don't have thumbs for phones. Wow! Look at you holding your phone with thumbs. Must be nice, Karen. Behold, our island amenities. This tiny lighthouse, totally decorative. We don't even know what it does, but it makes the tourists go, "Ah," so we allow it. Where did he go with the camera? Didn't even like him anyways. Heard he uses AI to help him create his video, instead of taking time away from his family to do it. Son of a... Hey there. Sorry, just kidding. I'll delete those comments. Legend says our ancestors were brought here in the 1960s as part of a wildlife attraction. They escaped repeatedly. Humans tried everything. Higher fences, wider moats, polite asking, nothing worked. So they gave up and built us this island. We respect the move. Every day, hundreds of humans pull up on boats, pointing cameras at us like we're movie stars. And honestly, we are. We're the Kardashians of old Homosassa, dramatic, chaotic, and weirdly photogenic. We've also become unofficial ambassadors of Homosassa. We bring smiles. We bring laughs. We bring absolutely no economic stability whatsoever, but we look cute, so it balances out. Humans love us, kids squeal, grown men giggle, and locals just shake their heads like, "Yep, that's Homosassa for ya." Over here is the Banana District. Population, me. Patients accepted in bunches. Where did he go now? So enjoy the view from above, flying high in Florida. Just remember, if you ever crash that drone on our island, finders keepers. We run a strict salvage policy.